Hello, dear students. Welcome back to a new tutorial about the growth of plants. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how can we measure the growth of plants. This tutorial is going to be a bit different since we are going to learn how can we calculate mathematically the growth of plants over the years. Interestingly, there are many different ways of measuring growth in plants, including the height, the leaf surface area, and the mass. An increase in height, leaf surface area, or even the mass all can indicate an increase in the number of cells, which means that the plant is growing. But as for the mass increase, it can be affected by the amount of water in plant. So, it is better to measure the dry mass of the plant to get the accurate value of the mass gain. How can we calculate the increase in mass, height, or leaf surface area of the plant? We can simply calculate them by subtracting the initial value from the final value. The final value indicates the value of a mass, height, or surface area of the leaves after some years. If we wanted to calculate the gain in mass of the following willow tree, we first need to identify the initial and the final values. In this example, the initial or the starting value is 2.27 kilograms. Moreover, the final value is 76.74 kilograms. We apply the formula and subtract the initial mass from the final mass. So we have 76.74 minus 2.27, and then we get the mass gain or the increase in mass value. Furthermore, we can calculate the percentage increase or the percentage change in mass using the following formula. So, final mass minus the initial mass divided by the initial mass multiplied by 100. Taking into consideration the willow tree as an example again, we apply this formula. The final mass, which is 76.74, minus the initial mass, which is 2.27, divided by the initial mass, which is 2.27, multiply by 100, and then we get the percentage increase in mass.